time for another Elden Ring tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to beat the Royal Revenant in the Kingsrealm Ruins in Liurnia. And this is the location here where you can find the Kingsrealm Ruins, and it's south from that big castle there at the north end of Liurnia, and then kind of by the lake shore. And then we're going to go down in here, and I'm going to show you kind of what I have for my character and how leveled up I am. And so I wouldn't say I'm super high level, level 79, and I'm going to add some fire to this Bloodhound Finesse, and I'm just going to go in there. And the trick here is you just want to get any kind of summons. I'm going to be using Tish. I mean, if I got Tish, I'm going to use Tish. But just any kind of summons, you want to keep the Royal Revenant busy, so you can kind of go behind the back of him. And so like what I want to do, and he spits this poison cloud, so you got to be wary of that. But I like to go to the back or the side of him and use my weapon art, and it does quite a bit of damage. But then you got to look out for, he has this little combo attack where he gets up like that, and then he does like 2 quick swipes, 3 quick swipes at you. So, but you can always tell when he gets up on his hind legs that the Revenant is going to do that attack. And then so you can dodge if you are good at dodging, or just take the hit, and then so here he comes again, boom, boom, boom. But pretty easy, not too difficult. Just get a summons that is fairly stout that can try to keep him busy a little bit, and then you can run in there and just go to town on him. Hopefully this strategy helped you out a little bit. Let me know in the comments. Take care and happy gaming, everyone. Also, you also get this nice little treasure in here, the frozen needle. Pretty cool. Take care, everyone.